Hi, my name is Dr. Alex Tatem, and I'm a board-certified, fellowship-trained urologist and men's health specialist. Over the years, I've been privileged to help men regain their health, wellness, and vitality, but it didn't start here. When I started practice about 6 years ago, it was in a small 2-room office on the east side of Indianapolis, using a bookshelf that I bought off Craigslist and videos I made in my attic. Since then, we've grown into one of the world's leading centers for advanced men's health care. We perform hundreds of penile implant surgeries annually, to include complex revisions. We've been blessed to take care of men from across the United States and internationally. But in addition to penile implant surgery, our practice encompasses so much more. We specialize in men with male fertility issues, Peyronie's disease, bladder leakage after prostate cancer, a need for a vasectomy reversal, and advanced complex hormone management. But all this growth wouldn't have been possible without our exceptional team. We've grown to include several highly skilled physician assistants, an incredible nurse triage staff, and a dedicated patient navigation team, all working together to ensure men get the best care possible. Education has always been a cornerstone of our mission. We train surgeons and advanced practice providers from around the globe to elevate men's health care. And for those seeking a capstone experience, we offer formalized fellowship training in collaboration with local university and industry leaders. This YouTube channel is an extension of that commitment. Here you'll find in-depth discussions on performance enhancement, hormone management, ED, Peyronie's disease, and even live surgical content, where we take you with us into the OR so you can see how we're changing lives on a daily basis. So if you're curious about men's health or just want to know what it is that we do, this is the place for you. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share your questions in the comments down below. Let's start a conversation and build a healthier future together. Welcome to the channel. I can't wait to share this journey with you.